What is NFTs? Are you looking around the crypto market? You will be hit with so many new terminologies. Perhaps you've heard of NFTs before, as crypto enthusiasts often talk about these. But what is an NFT? Is it just another fad? Why should I buy a digital record that I can just copy in a second? What is up, guys? This is Crypto Zones, and we're here with a brand new video to explain what an NFT or non-fungible token is. Well, to start off, what is fungible? Fungible is something that is interchangeable or something that does not have unique properties. Let's say if you have $1 and your friend wants to exchange it with $1. You won't have any problems with that since it's the same thing, meaning both dollars are fungible. However, if you happen to have a $1 bill with unique serial numbers or unique markings, you'll most likely be less inclined to exchange it with your friend. Some of these extremely rare dollars with serial numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or binary numbers can be traded for $5,000 or more. These rare dollars are non-fungible because they have distinct attributes that make them unique. A non-fungible token is comparable to a rare dollar bill, a digital coin that has unique attributes associated with it. Most of the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are regarded as non-fungible because history can be attributed to a coin. For example, if a certain Bitcoin was used for something illegal, it is likely that its value is much less than a Bitcoin that has been newly minted with no history. So these non-fungible tokens that are unique coins, what is their purpose? They are proof of ownership of a particular digital file, like a digital certificate of authenticity. To break it down, when we are looking at a work of art, like a painting, the original painting is always more valuable than its consequent copies. There are specific ways to prove the validity of its authenticity, such as a certificate of authenticity. When it comes to digital files, just like how people collect physical artworks, it's becoming quite popular to collect digital files. You could buy the first ever copy of an ebook as an NFT, and with that, you're getting the bragging rights to own the very first copy of the ebook. And this is when things get tricky. Buying something that is intangible brings up the question of not having power over the goods you are purchasing. So how do you determine the value of the NFTs? An NFT that is worth as much as how much someone is willing to pay for it without existing in the physical world. Let's take a look at how NFTs are created. The creator can create anything that lives in the online world, such as a website, a tweet, a photo, or a video. After that, the creator will create a token on the blockchain that supports smart contracts like Solana, Ethereum, or Cardano. This token has the information about the digital goods that are being sold, including the token name, token symbol, and unique hash that proves this NFT is authentic. The token itself does not have the digital goods stored inside them. The token only has the goods attributes stored inside them. The NFT points to the location of the file online, but that link is not unique, and anyone can use it. After the token has been created, the creator can sell it to someone else who will become the new owner of the digital goods. In summary, an NFT is a token that behaves like a digital certificate of authenticity that is instantly verifiable and includes all the history of its previous owners. NFTs are also indivisible, programmable, transferable, and fraud-proof. A creator can also receive royalty payments every time an NFT changes owner. Some of the popular NFTs include CryptoPunks, whose prices have surpassed millions of dollars for a collection of 10,000 8-bit style pixel art images of punks. Another popular NFT is the NBA Top Shot, a marketplace that allows fans to trade video clips of NBA moments as NFTs, which are like digital trading cards. players can make royalties when the NFTs that they are highlighted in get sold. Even the founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, sold his first tweet as an NFT. Another example is Pepe, an artist that made $69 million from selling his work as an NFT. I bet you're now curious as to how you can buy your first NFT. There are two main types of NFT marketplaces: centralized and decentralized. In a centralized marketplace, you can fund your account using various payment methods like your credit card. NFT Gateway, for example, is a centralized NFT marketplace that is owned by the exchange Gemini, and you can buy your NFTs using Gemini Balance. In a decentralized marketplace, you first need to have a wallet that is compatible with the blockchain where the NFT you want to buy was created on. In Ethereum, MetaMask is the most common option, using a wallet that was built as a browser extension that allows you to log into decentralized marketplaces like Rarible, Super Rare, or OpenSea. NFT is a token that is stored in your wallet like any other cryptocurrencies, so once your account or wallet has been funded, you can bid or buy on various NFTs in the marketplace. Another thing that you should remember is that NFTs is that they are not as liquid as other tokens or coins, which could make it hard to find people who are willing to buy your NFT if you are trying to sell them. Just like how it might be hard to sell rare baseball cards for thousands of dollars. As you may have noticed, NFTs are extremely hype-driven. You can spend a lot of money on an NFT today, but there is no guarantee that someone will be willing to buy it from you eventually if there's no more interest in that particular NFT. So what can I actually do with NFTs, knowing that it's basically owning bragging rights to a certain digital file? Most people think of ways to show off their NFTs, such as online digital art galleries, digital frames to hang in their houses, and printing the NFT with a QR code that links to your proof of ownership on the blockchain. By the way, I hope you're finding this information valuable. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video full of great content. NFTs aren't solely used for art, but it can be used for tagging anything unique or to claim proof of ownership in the digital world. Have you ever heard of Decentraland? It's a virtual world that lets users buy digital land that can be useful for advertising. Some online games also use NFTs as proof of ownership of rare digital pieces that players can trade. It can be used for domain names, collateral in DeFi, and so much more. So what do you think? Are NFTs the next big thing or just a fad? It's hard to say, but everyone's definitely talking about it, and big companies are really getting into it, even if it's paying millions for just concepts or proof of ownership in the digital world. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more useful crypto-related contents. This is Crypto Zones, and we'll see you next time.